Hello everybody, today we're going to crack a bullwhip. I'm using a regular whip, and so first you want to make sure you're safe, wide open area, and make sure there's no obstacles around you. Make sure you have, first step is have your bullwhip straight, long, raise it halfway, and then hit down really hard. So make sure it's not tangled up, and for beginners, I recommend trying both hands, because if you get good at one hand, you won't be able to do the other in the future. But if you alternate between hands. So how you know you did it right? This thing right here makes the crack, makes the bullwhip. See, if it cracks like this, then you don't have it. If it cracks like that, then you have it. So I'm using a regular smaller bullwhip, normal bullwhip. So just repeating the steps. First, you have your bullwhip straight, raise it up halfway, and crack. Don't raise it too high. I'm Hunter, and that was my bullwhip tutorial video. Please subscribe to my channel for more bullwhip videos, and bye.